I am not a good photographer. I am not even a photographer. But when I need to take pictures or record videos, I use a lamp I have on my desk. It's too bright, sometimes blinding, or just not lighting enough. So once I'm done with that lamp, I take a rechargeable one, only it was the same problem. So I decided to design and print my own lamp, portable, cheap and simple. For this project, I'm using a light dimmer I found on AliExpress, one white LED strip, a battery and the clip that comes with it. I take some measurements I might need later. And now the fun part, modeling time. Once modeling part is done, I print everything with my Prusa Mini. So now I have the main body where everything will go. And now it's time to assemble everything. So on this side there will be the LED strip and back here the light dimmer and the battery. So instead of showing you the boring process, screwing everything, gluing everything, just show you the proof of concept, how it is supposed to work. So we have a battery connected to the light dimmer, which is connected to the LED strip. That's all. So I throw everything into the 3D printed box, secure everything with hot glue, and print some covers to diffuse the light. And that is how I ended up with this great dimmable lamp to help me when taking photos or recording content. If you want to make one yourself, all the 3D models are available in the description below. That's it for this video, see ya!